Almost guy.
Somebody, hey, be just back. Vinton Shellsburg. Yeah.
No.
Okay,
Yeah,
purchaser's journal is for very specific. Now this is used for purchasing
Notes on the top.
Purchasing.
merchandise on
Oh, you do.
account.
That's it.
That's the only transactions that will ever go in the purchaser's journal.
Do we need to put this on the top?
You don't need to, I'm just writing it in case some of you guys are more visual than audio learners. So merchandise is something that we haven't talked about either. Merchandise is what would you guess?
Clothes.
Stuff that you buy.
It
for
could be.
business.
Merchandise is what you have
What
that you
sell.
are going to sell, that you are trying to sell. So when you purchase merchandise on account means what?
Like you pay him later.
I'm gonna pay them later. So what if I buy supplies on account? Would it go in the purchaser's journal?
No.
No.
No. What if I buy milk on account?
Well, if you're gonna sell it.
Time out, are you a grocery store?
I'm not a grocery store.
Then no.
I just buy milk for general consumption.
No.
Oh no.
No.
Then no, it would not go here. What if I am a grocery store and I am purchasing milk from Anderson Erickson on account?
Yes.
If you're gonna
Then
sell
yes,
it.
it would.
I mean, if you're
You
just
know how
purchasing it
fast
just to give away to your local.
Do you know how fast milk sells?
Very
Yeah.
fast.
Really fast.
It
So
does.
is bread, I think.
Okay, so these transactions are super simple for 9-1. It says use the current year, so this is 2014, October 2nd. And it says purchase merchandise on account from American Tools for $1,230. And then you're going to see P116. There's another dead giveaway. When we start combining transactions, if my document or my source document has a P, I know it's going to go in the purchases journal. So this asks for an account credited. So that's who we bought our stuff from. So it's American Tools. And I spelled that entirely wrong.
So your merchandise isn't debited.
Okay. Anytime you debit merchandise or anytime you purchase merchandise, we don't have an account called merchandise. We use an account called purchases. Purchases is for merchandise. Purchases is for
It
merchandise.
doesn't have the normal debit balance.
It does have a normal debit balance. And you can see this last column.
Oh, it's one.
Actually, there's only one column, but it does two things. This automatically debits purchases, and it automatically credits accounts payable
Okay.
to there. So instead of writing two lines, purchases debit, accounts payable credit, you're just doing one line. So less writing. So it's 1230. And the purchase number is 116. Pretty simple. Next one is on the 7th. Purchase merchandise on account from Harris Manufacturing. So it's Harris Manufacturing. It's 117. And it is $480. And then on the 11th, purchase merchandise on account from Kiesler Supply. So I am Kiesler Supply. 118. 780.
Is your total underneath and just total
Yep, it says total and rule the purchases journal. So all I'm going to do is total it.
it? Now we're gonna try totals.
I will not do that.
Exactly.
Totals. I get $24.90.
Yep.
I double underline it. And that's your intro to the purchases journal. So, purchase merchandise. Merchandise is what? Elliot Stoker. Stalker.
I like Stoker, it sounds legit.
It does. The stuff that you're going to sell, right? So, purchases is the account that goes with merchandise. We only use the purchases journal for purchasing merchandise on account. Nothing to it, right?
It's page 1, right?
Nope, sorry.
10.